Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. A little different video this time around. I just wanted to do a quick full build list, go over my build and everything that I have done to the car. Some things the previous owner did, some things I've done, and what I think is a beautiful M4, but a common build. I don't think anything is stuff that you've never seen before, but one of my favorite cars of all time, and there's a lot of fun things you can do to it, so let's get into it. Start by popping the hood. Get the hood opened up, and then we'll kind of talk about what we got here. So first things first, I got custom wheels. These are by Motivo Forged. Hamza is the owner of it, and just helped build out a perfect spec wheel for my F82. I love how they sit. I love the design of them. Solid price, solid material, and I'm on 305s in the back, wrapped in 305 Pilot Sport 4S's. And 275 in the front, or sorry, 265 in the front. So start with the wheels, right? Got the wheels done, fresh tires. That was in the beginning of the year. And we'll just, I guess, go along the exterior here. I got side skirts, carbon fiber side skirts. I can't remember off the top of my head what the name of them is, but they are from Horizon Motorsport. I'm thinking about getting new ones soon, because if you're looking at them, you can see, I mean, they're really sleek. Like, you can almost tell, you can almost not even tell that they're there sometimes. It's hard in the shadow. Let me see if I can go to the other side. You can definitely see it better on this side. They're just really sleek. They sit in nicely. I love the way they look, but when I lower the car, my plan is to probably get PSM style side skirts. So love those. Also, if we move to the back, it's kind of hard to tell, but also got a diffuser, PSM style diffuser. So this is also from Motivo Forged, Motivo Motoring. Hamza hooked me up with this, helped me out, gave me a good solid deal on shipping, because I also bought the front lip, which we'll get to in a second, but just wanted to show you this. I think it just makes the car look super aggressive, makes the back end, rear end look put together, and how the car should look, in my opinion. So again, kind of hard to tell in the shadows, but you get my point. And then we got the front lip, CS style front lip. Yeah, man, to me, gotta get a front lip, gotta have some carbon on the front. If you got it on the sides and the rears, you gotta wrap it all the way around, in my opinion. That's just my humble opinion. Finishing off the carbon fiber, we also got the mirror caps. So those actually came from the previous owner. I'm not sure where they got them, but they are real carbon. So he had them wrapped in PPF, and it got a little scratched up, so I've taken the PPF off and debating on getting them PPF'd again. But he also PPF'd the carbon roof, so that's always nice. A little extra protection on the carbon roof, because that's permanent, that's gonna be there forever. So yeah, moving on to the engine, we got CTS turbo intake, and that's it. Haven't done anything else. I got a tune. I have an MHD stage 1 OTS off-the-shelf map. Super easy to tune on the fly, and yeah, that's what I got right now. That's it. So, oh, lowering springs. I got Eibach lowering springs, and I also have Fortunato coilovers in the garage that I will be installing in the near future. Not sure exactly when I'll be doing that, but hopefully soon. I just need to get the tools for it. So that's my build, man. Like I said, pretty common, pretty basic, but it's exactly how I like it. Nothing too crazy. I don't need to be pushing 700 horsepower. I'm cool with the good 500, high 400s, low 500s. So that's the whip, man. I do plan on, in the future, getting new charge pipes, because these are plastic back here, and a J pipe as well, just because added durability, more peace of mind, you know. But yeah, that's my F82 build. If you like the video, leave me a thumbs up, man. Let me know. What would you do to your M4 if you had it? If you do have it, what have you done to your M4, your M3? You know, let me know. I love hearing about your builds and any recommendations you guys have for what you do if you had it. So I think that's all, man. I think that's the whole build. I may be forgetting a few things here and there, maybe on the interior, but yeah, I appreciate you watching. Hit that sub button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe. Peace.